Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial about XVPN. Follow this step-by-step guide to make the most out of your VPN experience. Don't miss any steps to understand the complete process, so stay with us until the end. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. Step 1. Download and install XVPN from your Play Store. Simply go to the search bar and type XVPN. Step 2. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. Step 3. Create your account. Open the app. Click the upper left corner icon. A small page will open. Enter your email and password. Then click Create Account. Your account will be created in seconds. Step 4. Explore the premium features. XVPN offers annual and monthly subscriptions. Step 5. Configure UDP settings. Select your desired location and edit speed for browsing. Choose the UDP protocol. Step 6. Connect to the VPN. Simply click on the Start button. Allow XVPN when prompted, and you're connected to the magic of XVPN. Step 7. Test the speed. Head to a speed test website and check the performance of XVPN. Step 8. Verify your IP address. Go to any search engine, type "What is my IP address?" and see your IP address change to your desired location. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.